Hey everyone, today we're going to look at the Hot Wheels World Construction Site playset. This set comes with a vehicle lift, during your build, working elevator, source for one vehicle, and it comes with one vehicle right here. And it also has a KB's Toys price tag. This toy has a cover of 1998 and 1997, the oldest. This set is painted in the box, so let's look. Here's a look at the front of the box for ages over 3 years. And here's a look at the other side. And here's a look at the back of the box here. And then that attaches to the Hot Wheels World Play track. And here's a picture shows all the Hot Wheels World Playsets available in 1998. And this set has a cover of 1998 and fully assembled. So we have a bonus car we're going to open today. It's this car. Today's bonus car we're going to open up is the dump truck from the Hot Wheels World Collection. See, this is a really old Hot Wheels playset. This is a really old Hot Wheels car. So let's open it after we open this playset up. So let's open this playset up. Inside the box, we have some pieces we have to lot to put together. Here's the car, accessories, more accessories to build. You have the playset, the base, sticker sheet, instruction manual, and a foldable poster, and the car included. Here's a look at the set fully assembled, and as you can see, it took like 40 minutes to put all the stickers in the playset together, because this is the car we're going to use in this set. This one has been used in the other videos. This is the car that included in this playset. And you have a working elevator right here. It tells us the Hot Wheels World Play track, and you have a gate, moving crane, and I'm going to show you some issues with it, because we have this. This is a tower of blocks, so we want to be very careful to do this. So I built this really carefully. And this set we're going to open up is the dump truck. And enjoy the video.